is. You made it bounce off the wall, boy. Reel it in. Show them how to reel in a big fish. Good job. Now show them how to throw it again. That one bounced off the ceiling and the wall, buddy. Good job.
Reel it in, Connor.
Good job. Give me 5. Love you. Connor. Are you concentrating?
Watch out, Daddy. So, Daddy, watch out.
Uh-oh, here he goes again. Good job.